Last. If I give you back and slap, now you go come lawa. Come get right here in case you there they watch me. When no lawa, I like to agbe. When no lawa, like goats. When no lawa, I like to agbe. You lawa. No, you go just see woman like me like this. You just think say this kind body, this kind shape, this kind beauty. Na for lawa. Oh God, oh. No, you just observe me now. Check am out whether this kind body na the kind body where they take the lawa. I beg, wait, look and wait. This one where they breathe go down. Waiting again.
I think I want to take some pics with you.
Okay, if you do your dress now, okay. I'll carry this one. I beg to all those God give callers where they call you, where they say when no lawa.
I only shift the shirt back. Me all those lazy men see as I think they take care of my wife. Shift.
So, no, this kind body.
Lazy man.
Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you have not subscribed, subscribe and smash the notification bell. Thank you and God bless you. My darling people, my correct people, this video today now about Mrs. Iyobosa. There's a trouble, they sleep, yeah, gonna go wake up. As I talk to Nana, Mrs. Iyobosa don finally enter saga. She be dey do showcasing lifestyle before. Oh, they don drum. Social media, they must make sure say they draw you enter that way you don't want to do. Saga. Hey, saga not be your bet. Oh. That saga when you say you no want to do, they must make sure say they draw you enter. Now, Mrs. Iyobosa now don fully enter. Anybody wey talk to another, she dey respond. Not before when she dey keep quiet too. Social media, you can never do your own things, make the rest. If they do your own things, they go complain. If you not say do your own things, na problem. Hey, now wow, Mrs. Iyobosa now you don't welcome, you don't come to stay saga. Now this one be saga continue, my people. Me, I not like this kind of thing before. Like we supposed to the support each other before social media now to do other things, but now. Saga everywhere, my people. So my Ogbonge people, ma put the video, make una see am. Mrs. Iyobosa, they don't call you enter saga. So we see social media, no, you can't do your own things by yourself. Thank you, my darling people. Take care. Bye.
If I give you back and slap, now you go come lawa. Come get right here in case you there they watch me. When no lawa, I like to agbe. When no lawa, like goats. When no lawa, I like to agbe. You lawa. No, you go just see woman like me like this. You just think say this kind body, this kind shape, this kind beauty. Na for lawa. Oh God, oh. No, you just observe me now. Check am out whether this kind body na the kind body where they take the lawa. I beg, wait, look and wait. This one where they breathe go down. Waiting again.
I think I want to take some pics with you.
Okay, if you do your dress now, okay. I'll carry this one. I beg to all those God give callers where they call you, where they say when no lawa.
I only shift the shirt back. Me all those lazy men see as I think they take care of my wife. Shift.
So, no, this kind body.
Lazy Men Association Worldwide Europe. Lazy Men Association Worldwide Europe. Lazy Men Association Worldwide Europe. Oh yeah, see the way I take care of my wife. Oh. Lazy men, you decide that they take care of wife. Una king dey Germany, yeah.
I don't carry handbag today. Where
Yeah,
I go?
go carry your
handbag.
They are all the lazy men worldwide. You said they take care of wife. Where their king dey Germany, yeah. Make they cost you. Good, yeah, I love this bag.
Just for you. Thank you so much.
Choose any bag you want.
So thank you so
Now
much.
my money dey work.
Yes, so. So I don't come back.
All the lazy men, you see, she use all type of anything she wants. Everything I don't get her for the house. I get Disney for the house. I get
Now this guy body that tell the lawa.
I get Disney for the house. I get with the Disney park. I give it to the other name.
Disney World.
Disney World and the other one be park.
No, not Disney World.
Okay. I get Disney World of the house, so I get all the old world of the house. I get Slay Queen for the house. I get wife for the house, so I get Slay Queen. You see how the body wide. You see, huh? You see the figure.
Say we no lawa, we no lawa.
You
Man
see,
dance for them. Man dance for them so that they go relax.
You dey see mama of four children.
Say we no lawa.
Una dey see mama of 4 children.
Very godly passengers wey don spend all their life give man. Man dump them, man no marry them. Mrs. Iyobosa still dey wife they no one year works.
Una see how they take care of wife. You dey see mama of 4.
We no lawa.
Their king dey Germany, yeah. Their king dey Germany. The king of all lazy men in the whole Europe.
We
The
no
king of all lazy men in Europe. Their king dey Germany, yeah.
We no lawa.
Go and look at my wife pre-wedding picture. Huh? Go and look at it. Make you see how my wife be. You dey see as I take care of my wife. You see as I take care of her. Go look that time. I go see her there now. Go dey see the thousands of love and like.
Only way my fair dance for you. My fair dance.
You see as I take care of her now. You look as at that time. Go now. You dey see changes. Lazy men, when they see changes, go and look at the picture.
They don't hear. They don't hear.
I don't want wise see all those women. Women know that they wise.
No, they're not here.
Women know that they wise.
They say when
Mr. Iyobosa come wise now.
On yourself, what's like make a fair dance for the year. So let me put my music. So iPhone users will know they get pocket, okay? And they even they look myself.
She touch everything there with her.
iPhone users will know they get pocket, okay? Now hand now with the whole our phone. This is iPhone 12 Pro Max. So make I put I don't want to use this one put music today. I want to use this one.
The old phone.
Yeah, no, now the old phone now for today play the music. I don't want to use this one today because I want all this one for us. Oh, okay.
Oh yeah, give them. Sweet 16. Mommy 4. Looking so. Ooh, wow, wow, wow. Ah. Lazy man, go and take care of your wife. All the lazy men, take care of your wife. You listen? Why not? Why not? Why not? Why not? Correct. Correct. Yeah.
Thank you all so very much. Miss Bodat, thank you so much. Una do well, una do well. We don't finish, So thank you all so very much for being here, for your love, for your support.
Disney
for your
shares.
Don't do. Yo, if they see give you chance.
Disney World
you too like trouble. You rest.
Himalaya.
You say waiting.
Disney World Ugea. Himalaya.
Uyae ose. Uyae.
They should go and look your old picture. I share it now. Soon to be Mrs. Iyobosa. Go and look it now.
Oh, God.
Go and look at my wife that time. And look at her now. Himalaya.
Uyae nani. Uwaya kaka boy. You are the best. You are one of the best men in the whole wide world, okay? So to all those men out there, to all those good men out there, please keep taking proper care of your wife, okay? Keep taking proper care of your, whether you don't mind the woman you never marry, a baby mama, your fiance, okay? Because not the day outside. Because na make so you get for his house, now you go see for outside, okay? So try to be contented with what you have. Take care of your woman, take care of your children, take care of, make your wife happy. You understand? Make your girlfriend happy so that the woman, you go they pray for you. She'll they pray for you. She says I be dance well. Wow, thank you so much. Thank you so much. Okay. So that's it, okay? To the lazy men out there, no, not provoke me, okay? I just give a peaceful advice before
take care of the women.
Yes, before una come start to the insult. So now push me, okay? We all see talk and small. If una no want make I talk more than that, because Mrs. Iyobosa not be one kind of woman where be say that they use voice, they threaten. As far as say now your house you dey, you know if you come my house, come beat me. You understand? So you can only shout for media and back. At the end of the day, it's not going to change nothing. It's going to make matter worse. Okay? We only give out a peaceful advice to take care of woman where be say their life, not be bad thing. Okay? If your woman, if you carry money, come and say, my wife, my girlfriend, my baby mama, you don't try. I want buy this for you. Not be bad thing. The woman go pray for you. And you know make your money finish. If you carry your wife, go and say, this month, they just pay me, belle yours with me. My wife, my girlfriend, my baby mama. I want carry you and the children go shopping. You go still buy clothes for them. You do shopping for them of 200 euro. You understand? Nothing is too small. Even though now 100 euro, even though now 50 euro. You understand? Your money not go finish. Okay? As I don't fit talk in peace now. Okay? If I hear more noise, if I want come out again, I no go like am. I just turn now to my national item topic, okay? So may we try to respect ourselves for this social media, eh? You get your own platform, you do your topic. Then me get my own platform, I do my topic, okay? And don't forget, I'm not a presenter. I know they like if person they call me presenter, one of the presenter that don't do saga, that don't do this, that don't do that. No. I am not a presenter, okay? I am a content creator, a beauty influencer. Now I be, okay? I know they like if person they call me presenter. I not be presenter, okay? Now content creator, now I be. And I'm not on social media. To those people where be say that they look for friendship. I'm not on social media for friendship, for say we come they call, we come they gossip. I'm not on social media for any group. May I come they join you for a group, or may you come they call me, may you come they invite me, may you come they come my house, or you come they invite me, they come your house. No, I am a certified married woman, okay? My husband and God, now he gets saved for my life. If my husband say no want this one, I have to accept. Even me, anything where I thought say I don't want, my husband have to accept it also. You know, if you dey social media, you want to they rule my marriage, or you come they control my marriage. No. I'm not going to take it. We are not going to take it, okay? Whether you be old man or you be old woman or you be young or you be old, or you not get right to come they tell me and my husband what we go do. May God forgive them. May God forbid bad things. Say if anything